Hello, I'm Pat O'Hare, Chief Market Analyst for Briefing.com. Today is Thursday, April 3rd. Attention has been focused today on the Senate Banking Committee hearing on the rescue of Bear Stearns by the Federal Reserve, which culminated in a buyout of the firm by JP Chase. The hearing itself is a necessary act, as was rescuing Bear Stearns. It's important to take a closer look at these types of dealings to get a better understanding of how they can be managed and/or prevented in the future. The impact of the hearing on Thursday's trading action, though, is insignificant. The rescue of Bear Stearns and the Fed's involvement in it is a done deal. Say what you will about moral hazard, but letting Bear Stearns file for bankruptcy so soon after its CEO was professing confidence in its liquidity position and in the midst of a stressed credit market would have created a financial market dislocation that in all probability would have had a deleterious effect on the real economy. Fed Chairman Bernanke summed up the development in his prepared testimony saying, quote, "Our financial system is extremely complex and interconnected, and Bear Stearns participated extensively in a range of critical markets. The sudden failure of Bear Stearns likely would have led to a chaotic unwinding of positions in those markets and could have severely shaken confidence. The adverse impact of a default would not have been confined to the financial system, but would have been felt broadly in the real economy through its effects on asset values and credit availability." End quote. That pretty much sums things up. Ideally, one doesn't want the Fed to be in the position it was placed in with the Bear Stearns situation, but it was there due to extraordinary circumstances, and it acted accordingly. The outcome for Bear Stearns employees and shareholders was terrible on many different levels, yet rescuing Bear Stearns for the good of the broader economy was the higher purpose and the proper course of action. I'm Pat O'Hare for Briefing.com. Thanks for listening.